Hello everyone, I am CQMS Elna TA presenting the topic obstacle training. Then what is the aim of obstacle training? It helps the cadets in developing and promoting physical fitness, self-confidence, determination and quick reflexes. Obstacle training is very important for the NCC cadets as it infuses courage, patience in them and makes them physically fit. Safety measures for obstacle training. First point, suitable and physically fit cadets only to be selected. Second point, training to be given first in PT dress and later on with packs and weapon. Third point, emphasis to be given on closing of individual timings and later team timings. Fourth point, wet and slippery obstacles and areas should be avoided. Fifth point, obstacles to be done under supervision of qualified instructors and correct technique only to be used. Sixth point, arrangement of first aid should be ensured. Then what is the benefit of obstacle training? It ensures physical fitness, ensures agility, ensures mental robustness, coordination and balance of mind and body, improves risk-taking ability, evaluating problem-solving skills and overall team spirit. There are 9 standard training obstacles. First one is straight balance. It is a wooden plank of 3 inches thickness and 4 inches width, 12 feet in length, which is 1.5 feet above the ground level. In this, cadet has to walk on the obstacle and balance himself with his arms. Second one is clear jump. Its structure is like a straight beam. This wooden beam is 2.5 feet from the ground. In this, cadet has to jump over this wooden beam. Next one is zigzag balance. It is a structure of wooden beam 18 feet in length with 3-inch width and 1.5 feet above the ground. In this, the cadet has to negotiate the obstacle similar to straight balance. Next one is high wall. It is 6 feet high, 12 feet long brick wall. Cadet has run, jump and set his body on the wall and then push his body upwards and jump over the other side. Next one is double ditch. The obstacle is composed of 2 ditches, each of approximately 6 to 8 feet in length, 4 to 5 feet wide and 3 to 4 feet deep, separated by a small gap of approximately 9 to 12 inch. In this, the cadet have to jump across the 2 ditches by jumping over the first ditch, placing one foot on the gap and jumping across the second ditch. Next is right hand vault. This wooden structure is 3.5 feet above the ground and 1.5 feet long. In this, the cadet is required to jump over the obstacle using the right hand and support on the beam. Next one is left hand vault. It is similar to right hand vault. Cadet has to take support of wooden beam with the left hand and jump across. Next one is gate vault. This is a wooden structure which has 2 beams at a height of 3 feet and 5 feet respectively, both 18 feet long. In this, one has to cross the gate by holding upper beam with both hands and by putting one's feet on 3 feet gate and jump across. Next one is ramp. It is 15 feet long, 18 feet wide and 4.5 feet high slopey hillock. In this, one has to run from a distance and on reaching the top, cadet has to take a long leap. Thank you.